You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing name of a village in Wales correctly if you want to learn more Welsh vocabulary and confusing terms. Stay tuned, we've got tons, including the longest one. Stay tuned for that. Betws-y-Coed, that's the Welsh pronunciation here, how to pronounce in Welsh. Let's break it down. Betws-y-Coed. Betws-y-Coed. It's easy once you know. Betws-y-Coed. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.